Doctor approved. 5 sweet vegan fruits diabetics can eat guilt-free. Did you know that certain fruits have the incredible power to naturally lower blood sugar? And you might already have them in your kitchen? If you or someone close to you deals with diabetes, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this. Today, I'm diving into 5 amazing fruits that can be real game changers for controlling glucose levels, and I'm not just talking about the usual suspects like berries or apples. These fruits are going to surprise you. Plus, if you stay until the end, I've got 3 delicious, easy-to-make vegan recipes using these very fruits that you won't want to miss. Trust me, they could be the missing link you've been looking for in managing your health naturally. So, grab a seat, and let's jump right in alright. First up is a fruit that's not very common here in the States, but it packs some serious benefits: plums. Now, I know what you're thinking. Plums what? I get it. It's a mouthful, but so worth it. This small, dark, shiny fruit looks like a grape, but it's hiding some serious health benefits, especially for those looking to control blood sugar. This fruit is loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins. Those are the compounds responsible for its deep purple color, and they're also anti-inflammatory. But here's the kicker. Plums help slow down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. That means, instead of experiencing those nasty blood sugar spikes after meals, jabuticaba helps keep your levels nice and steady. Imagine eating something sweet and not having to worry about that blood sugar roller coaster. But the magic doesn't stop there. The real power of plums is in the skin. You've got to eat the whole thing, skin and all. It might sound odd, but that's where the blood sugar regulating compounds are hiding. And the skin has a nice burst of flavor too. It's not just about control, though plums is also great for digestion, thanks to its fiber content, and it supports cardiovascular health. So, it's a bit like your all-in-one fruit for health. You're probably wondering, how do I even get my hands on this fruit? While you might not find it in your regular grocery store, you can check out specialty markets or health food stores. They often have it fresh, or as a natural juice. Just make sure it's without added sugars. And hey, get creative with it. You can pop them into salads, smoothies, or just eat them as they are. Your body will thank you. Now, I want to talk about a fruit that's much more familiar but often underestimated: the humble apple. You've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," right? Well, turns out there's some truth to that, especially for those managing diabetes. Apples are rich in a type of fiber called pectin, and this little fiber is a superstar when it comes to regulating blood sugar. Here's how it works. Pectin forms a gel-like substance in your stomach, which slows down how quickly your body absorbs sugar. So, instead of causing a blood sugar spike, apples help release sugar into your bloodstream more slowly and steadily. Plus, apples have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a gentler impact on blood sugar compared to sweeter fruits. And don't even think about peeling it. The skin is where all those amazing polyphenols and antioxidants are hiding, which help fight inflammation, something diabetics often struggle with. And trust me, when you leave the skin on, you're getting the full benefit of the fiber, which also helps keep you fuller for longer, helping to avoid those tempting carb-loaded snacks between meals. Best part? Apples are everywhere. Whether you like them tart, sweet, or somewhere in between, there's a variety for you. Green apples are particularly good if you're watching your sugar intake, but no matter which one you choose, you're making a smart choice for your health. Alright, moving on to something smaller but just as mighty, the blackberry. Now, I'm a huge fan of berries in general, but blackberries in particular have some amazing properties that make them a top choice for anyone trying to keep their blood sugar in check. Blackberries are fiber-packed, and just like with the apple and jabuticaba, this fiber slows down sugar absorption. But there's more, they're also low in calories and carbs, so you get all the sweetness without worrying about a blood sugar spike. And as if that wasn't enough, they're loaded with anthocyanins, those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. One of my favorite ways to enjoy blackberries is mixed into some unsweetened plant-based yogurt. It's an easy, quick snack, and it gives you that sweet, satisfying fix without the guilt. Plus, blackberries can even improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively, a huge win for anyone dealing with diabetes or prediabetes. Next up is a fruit that's a little fuzzy on the outside, but bursting with goodness on the inside: kiwi. This vibrant green fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients, especially for those managing their blood sugar. Kiwi is rich in fiber, which, as we've learned, is essential for regulating glucose levels. It's also low on the glycemic index, so you can enjoy its natural sweetness without worrying about it causing a glucose spike. Plus, kiwis are full of vitamin C, which supports overall immune health, a bonus for anyone looking to stay healthy year-round. Another great thing about kiwi is how versatile it is. You can toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or just eat it on its own. And here's a little tip: the skin is edible. Yup, it's full of fiber and nutrients, so give it a good wash and eat the whole thing. The texture might take some getting used to, but it's worth it for the health benefits. Last but not least, let's talk about pears. Now, pears are one of those fruits that seem simple, but they're secretly packed with benefits for blood sugar control. Like the other fruits on this list, pears are rich in fiber, and that fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. But pears also improve insulin sensitivity, making them an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. And as always, keep the skin on. Pear skins contain a lot of the fiber and antioxidants, so don't peel them off. Whether you're adding pears to a salad, slicing them up as a snack, or baking them for dessert with a sprinkle of cinnamon, they're a sweet, low glycemic option that can help keep your blood sugar balanced. So, there you have it, 5 incredible fruits that can help you manage your blood sugar naturally. But I promised you something special if you stayed until the end, didn't I? Well, here it is. 3 simple, delicious vegan recipes using these fruits that are perfect for anyone looking to balance their blood sugar while enjoying tasty, nutritious meals. And remember, the best part of adding these fruits to your diet is that they're not just good for managing blood sugar, they're packed with nutrients that benefit your entire body. So, whether you're dealing with diabetes or just want to take control of your health naturally, these fruits are a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're looking for more tips, recipes, and ways to improve your health, be sure to subscribe to the Unseen Flavors and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Share this video with someone who could benefit from this information, and together, let's make health a delicious journey. Subscribe for more delicious ways to manage your health.